Let me introduce Joe to y'all. Joe Martin is a gentleman that I had the honor of being through my cousin Akil. And Joe is a freaking, like a credit fixer-upper, guru, mad scientist type credit point type thing going on. If it makes sense. I'm joking, but I'm serious. I remember I talked to him and I was telling him I was looking at getting my credit fixed up. And he's okay, this is how it works. Your credit is composed of the maximum amount of number you can get in points is this amount of points. So what happens is this amount of points is allotted to this. These points go to this. If you have a house or a car, you can get a maximum of this amount of points. And then your credit cards, they give you this amount of points and blah, blah, blah. So he had it all broken down into where those points go on your credit score, knowing exactly where they go. This percentage of points goes to this percentage of points goes to that, which will give you this much and then this much. If you got negative stuff on your credit report, this is what we do to get those things fixed. We got the letters, science, bingo. We got the letters, you have to be diligent, blah, blah, blah. And he has it all broken down into a system to where if you go into, it reminds me of if you go into a factory and they're making parts and you need there may be a manual that shows what this machine does and what parts it makes, and then the dynamics and the specs and all that kind of stuff to make this thing work. And these are the specifications of the part. It can't be any more than this and any less than this and blah, blah, blah. And if these rules and guidelines are followed as far as the computer running the way it's supposed to, the machine running the way it's supposed to, you get a perfect part. That's like what he does with the credit type stuff. It's a freaky weird science, but he's on point with it. Anybody that is looking to get your credit fixed and repaired, give Joe Martin a holler. Click on his name or whatever if you can here. Find him on Facebook. You can see him. Bald-headed gentleman, clean cut with the goatee, and he's on point with it. He's down in the Georgia area there. If you know anybody that's looking to get their credit cleaned up, or you need to do it yourself, then go ahead and do it. It's not hard, I would say. I would say that because he knows what he's doing. If you deal with somebody that don't know what they're doing, it's gonna drive you crazy. Credit fixer-uppers, y'all give Joe a holler. He's on point with it, very much. I ain't gonna tell none of the secrets. That's for him to tell y'all if he tell y'all. He's got his thing. That's what he does. You can't go to the what you call that thing? The automobile place, the mechanic, and expect them to fix your car for free. Can't do that. So everything is gonna cost. Not expensive. Darn near, it's worth it though. It's worth it though. He's definitely got some secrets up his sleeve when it comes to that credit repair stuff. That when you talk to him, I'm like, man, I never thought of that. Simple stuff, but man, he's on point with it. So quit listening to those folks on Instagram and YouTube and saying that if you do this and you do that and you send me this money, then I'll send you this little system to help get your stuff fixed up and this, that, and the other. Man, quit listening to them people. Y'all give Joe a holler. He'll get you straight. Who else pop up on here? I can. It's simple when you know the science.